Here we have the hospital bed model P503 from Drive Medical. Cost $2,550 before tax. This one includes the mattress, and these are the servo motors. There's 3 of them in this bed. In showroom condition, we have the Drive P503 hospital bed. Maybe you have a family member who's ill and just needs a hospital bed for a while, or maybe you just want to relax in comfort. Mobile, meaning it's on these really smooth rolling caster wheels, which also have a locking function, of course. The bed is at its max height currently at around 4 feet off the ground, and it has some easy controls down, so you can actually see it's really slow and quietly going down. And this also allows the patient to be on the bed while it is going down. It's a nice and slow movement to allow for safety, and it goes actually all the way until the bed is pretty much flat, meaning almost no rise off the ground. So we can keep going. And I'm going to raise it back up so I can show you the other functions. We are back at full height. Now, if you have a patient who has some maybe gastroesophageal reflux or maybe some aspiration pneumonia risk, you do want to elevate generally the head of the bed. And so pressing this button will allow that elevation to happen. And it pretty much goes to a 90, not 90, that's about an 75-degree angle, which is way more than what you need. For patients who lack the strength to sit up themselves, this is fantastic for when visitors come and such. Of course, meal times as well. Now, if the patient has maybe some lymphedema, so a lot of swelling in the legs, elevation of the legs, so this button would allow a flexed elevation of the legs that's more comfortable, allowing some knee bend in there. And you can see that angle is not too significant, but enough to allow gravity to assist some of the circulation. Some patients just are not too comfortable lying completely flat, or maybe because of a decubitus ulcer, maybe in the sacral region, you may want to relieve some of that pressure. And so this button kind of folds the bed, elevates both the back and the front at the same time, allowing for this dip to relieve some pressure in the sacral area. And it's kind of comfortable. Some people call this the zero gravity position, or similar. So there you have it. This has been the Drive Bed model P503, typically retailing for 3,000 Canadian dollars, or in the US, approximately 2,000 US dollars. After tax and shipping.